हेलो एंड वेलकम टू मनी मैटर स्टॉक्स। माय नेम इज अमोल परांजपे। लास्ट वीक हमने गोल्ड एज अ एसेट क्लास के बारे में बात की थी एंड टुडे विल डिस्कस अबाउट रियल एस्टेट। वेल, वी एज इंडियंस हम प्रॉपर्टी या रियल एस्टेट से इमोशनली अटैच्ड होते हैं। मेरा अपना घर ड्राइव्स द एंटायर सेंटिमेंट फॉर हाउसिंग रियल एस्टेट मार्केट इन इंडिया। But when it comes to real estate investing, it is not about residential property you use or stay in, but buying the residential property or commercial space or land or even warehouse for your investments. बात करते हैं रियल एस्टेट इंडस्ट्री के कुछ स्टैटिस्टिक्स के बारे में। टुडे रियल एस्टेट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट recognized सेक्टर्स ग्लोबली. इट इज बाय फार द लार्जेस्ट एसेट क्लास इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यूएशन. रियल एस्टेट 5 सब सेक्टर्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि हाउसिंग, रिटेल, हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड हेल्थ केयर, कमर्शियल स्पेसेस एंड वेयर हाउसिंग. अकॉर्डिंग टू द लास्ट डेटा अवेलेबल इन 2016, global real estate value was $228 trillion US dollars. Yes, $228 trillion US dollars, making it the world's most important and largest asset class. हाँ, मगर प्रोफेशनली मैनेज रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टमेंट्स मार्केट की बात करें तो इट इज जस्ट 5% ऑफ दैट, यानी 10 ट्रिलियन यूएस डॉलर्स. अगर इंडिया की बात करें तो रियल एस्टेट मार्केट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू रीच मार्केट साइज ऑफ 1 ट्रिलियन यूएस डॉलर्स इन द नेक्स्ट 10 years and it will contribute about 15% of the country's GDP. Rental yield and capital appreciation, ये दो तरीके हैं to earn returns from your real estate investments. So before you do any investments, you need to assess the cost of investment and these two factors to understand the expected ROI. Real estate investments 4 तरीके से कर सकते हैं. The most common और traditional way is buying the property outright, या हम लोन लेके भी प्रॉपर्टी बाय कर सकते हैं, be it residential, commercial या land. Before buying any property, you need to understand the bank loan which can be made available to you. You need to understand your CIBIL score, the documentation required, the location advantage of that property, fair market price in that area, liquidity अगर आपको वो property बेचनी है तो. Without this knowledge, you really cannot go and buy any property. अगर land investments की बात करें तो it is even more complex. You need to be doubly sure about the clear land title. So it is always better to hire a real estate consultant and take proper advice before you buy on your own. Another way can be shared property buying. अगर आप खुद की प्रॉपर्टी नहीं बाय कर सकते, then you can form investment groups within your known circles to buy a property. आज इंडिया में there are online platforms available which offer you properties which are evaluated and you can buy these properties with unknown co-investors. One advantage is that the entire buying, selling and the management of the property is done by the property experts of these platforms. The minimum investment here starts from 10 lakhs and you have to entirely rely on the platform experts. आप own या shared property में invest किए बिना भी real estate investments कर सकते हैं. कैसे? Well, you can buy or sell publicly listed real estate companies. Today, BSE Realty Index comprises of the top 10 real estate companies in India. तो आप ये shares buy और sell कर सकते हैं इन platforms पे. As the real estate market grows, the shares and your money will grow. याद रखें, before investing, you really need to know about the valuations of the company, their fundamentals, the company management, the promoter details, and of course, basic knowledge of share market is very important. One more relatively new concept in India is REIT. Yes, Real Estate Investment Trust. Today, REIT own approximately 3.5 trillion in gross real estate assets worldwide. Globally, the share of REIT is quite significant in the market cap of real estate. 2019 का डेटा देखें तो US REIT market cap was 96% of the total real estate market. and in Singapore and Japan it is more than 50%. So far India में सिर्फ 3 REIT list हुए and the share is just 29% of the. So basically India is just at the tip of the iceberg in terms of REIT growth, and with retail participation coming in, it is expected to become a $1 trillion market in the coming decades for sure. Real estate investing from REIT route can termed as one of the best ways forward for retail investors or beginners जो real estate portfolio बनाना चाहते हैं. You start as low as 50,000 or 1 lakh rupees in REIT investments. Much of the challenges faced in real estate investing for retail investors जैसे कि high investment amount, liquidity, expert advice, proper property management, transparency in documentation, diversification in multiple properties, tax benefits, and most importantly, getting better returns in terms of rental yield and capital appreciation. All this is taken care by REIT investments. याद रखिए, your own residence or place of living should never be considered as investment, as it is more or less for your personal use or consumption. Any other property which is bought to create wealth can be considered as investment. In the last 2 decades, we have heard stories or seen people around earn multiple returns in real estate. 300% return, 400% return. But the market prices over the last 1 decade have grown only by 11%. And in fact, in the last 5 years, the growth is absolutely muted at 5%, जो inflation को भी beat नहीं करता. So it is important you look beyond the traditional ways of investing in real estate, considering the market dynamics, changes in lifestyle, and new patterns of investment if you want to create wealth from this avenue. Thank you for watching our video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Money Matters Talks. Write back to us with your suggestions and feedback on the below mentioned mail. Thank you.